the right way to fertilise your buffalo grass. Imagine this: you've just fertilised your lawn, feeling proud and accomplished. You wake up the next morning, step outside, and your once green grass has gone from vibrant to looking like a burnt pancake. What went wrong? Fertilising buffalo grass isn't just about throwing some magic dust and hoping for the best. It's about timing, technique, and the right ingredients. Let's start with timing. Fertilising in winter? Forget it. Your grass is asleep, and no amount of nutrients will wake it up. Spring and summer are your golden months, when buffalo grass is actively growing and ready to soak up the good stuff. The best schedule is every 8 to 10 weeks during the growing season. It's a bit like feeding a growing teenager. If you want strong, healthy results, you have to keep up with their needs. Now let's talk fertiliser types. You've got slow release, which are great for long-term results, liquid fertilisers, which are fast-acting but needy, and organic options, nature's way of saying, I got you. The key nutrients: nitrogen for lush green colour, phosphorus for strong roots, and potassium for resilience. It's like giving your grass a well-balanced diet. Junk food won't cut it. If your lawn looks pale or weak, it's probably crying out for nitrogen. If it's not establishing well, it may need a phosphorus boost. And if it struggles with disease or stress, potassium is your best friend. Applying fertiliser properly is just as important as choosing the right one. First, mow your lawn a few days before fertilising. Then water lightly before applying the fertiliser. This helps the nutrients absorb better. Use a fertiliser spreader to ensure even distribution. Hand spreading might seem fine, but unless you have the precision of a master chef sprinkling salt, you'll end up with patchy growth. After applying, water thoroughly to activate the fertiliser and help it reach the roots. And here's the golden rule: never over-fertilise. More isn't always better. Too much fertiliser can burn the grass, leaving you with an expensive and crispy disaster. Watch the weather too. Avoid fertilising before heavy rain, or you'll just be feeding your drains instead of your lawn. A light drizzle is great, but heavy rain will wash away all that hard work. And if you're expecting a heat wave, wait a bit. Fertilising in extreme heat can stress your lawn even more. So do you want a lawn that looks like a masterpiece, or one that looks like it lost a battle? Follow the fertilising schedule, use the right products, and avoid the rookie mistakes. And if you need expert advice, you know where to find it. Lilydale Instant Lawn has your back.